Google Chrome is one of the most popular browsers in the world, and in 2025, it's packed with features that make browsing faster, easier, and more productive. Whether you use it for work, school, or personal projects, these 8 tips and tricks will help you get the most out of Chrome. First, use tab groups. If you often have multiple tabs open, grouping them by project or topic and labeling them with colors keeps everything organized and easy to manage. You can even collapse groups when you don't need them, which reduces clutter and speeds up browsing. Second, pin your important tabs. Right-click a tab and select Pin tab to keep it permanently at the left side of your browser. This is perfect for frequently visited pages like email, project dashboards, or client portals. Third, keyboard shortcuts save time. Simple shortcuts like Ctrl+T for a new tab, Ctrl+W to close a tab, and Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen a recently closed tab can save you minutes every day, especially if you multitask often. Fourth, Omnibox tricks. Chrome's address bar isn't just for URLs. You can search, perform calculations, convert units, or even search within specific websites by typing @ followed by the site name. This turns your browser into a mini productivity hub. Fifth, take advantage of Chrome extensions. Tools like Grammarly for writing, Loom for recording, and Clockify for time tracking integrate directly into Chrome, helping you work smarter. Just remember not to overload your browser or it may slow down. Sixth, send pages between devices. If you switch between a phone, tablet, and laptop, right-click any page and use Send to your devices to continue reading or working seamlessly across devices. Seventh, use Chrome's built-in screenshot and PDF tools. You can capture full-page screenshots, save web pages as PDFs, or annotate images without needing extra software. Perfect for research, presentations, or sharing content. Finally, check Chrome's security and password manager. Make sure your passwords are saved securely and that Chrome warns you if any have been compromised. Regularly reviewing these settings helps keep your accounts safe. By using these 8 tips and tricks, you can browse faster, stay organized, and work more efficiently in Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tech tips in 2025.